Listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you are in pursuit of the top bang for the buck, we say check out the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale, also known as the best value food scale that can be found in the market in 2021. It has almost all the features you can expect from a digital kitchen scale and is made of stainless steel, the ideal material for the kitchen due to its hygiene and aesthetics. Furthermore, if we leave this fella on the counter, it can even match other appliances. We can even choose a model with or without details on the black edge. Weighing is reliable because it allows measuring gram by gram. But the most important thing is the measurement conversion function. It includes the tera function, which on the one hand brings users accuracy. It automatically subtracts the weight of the container, gaining the net weight of the contents. And on the other hand, it adds convenience, as we could add ingredients without changing the container, but knowing how heavy each of those ingredients we add is. The device switches off automatically after 10 seconds and shows when the batteries need to be replaced. It uses a pair of AAA batteries, which can be bought in any supermarket and are even used for many devices we have at home. The scale has advantages and disadvantages concerning its size, depending on how you look at it. The advantage is that small and low weights fit into any drawer and take up little space on the counter. The disadvantage is that if we want to measure the ingredient on the plate, the numbers will disappear from sight below the edge of the plate itself. Another positive point is that it has a function that returns a negative figure if the scale is on an uneven surface. Very practical notice, because it'll allow us to level it to improve the measurement accuracy. For the listed price tag, you can't beat this guy.